Hello guys, welcome to the Startup Urban channel. Today we listen about Dreams Mattress startup journey. If you want to combat today's hectic lifestyle, sleeping is the best medicine. It helps us to develop our concentration power and at the same time we can look younger and stay in shape if we sleep at night like a baby. Unfortunately, are not lucky enough to enjoy this peaceful serenity. Dreams Mattress has been working on bringing consciousness among people and help them to take proper steps to boost their sleeping health and with stellar products. We cannot replace the importance of a good mattress when it comes to back pain or enjoying a peaceful sleeping night. In that case, Dreams Duro mattress comes to your rescue. This supportive and comfortable pieces not only helps you to improve your sleeping quality but also alleviate pains and ashes. Why do people love Dreams Duro mattress? Back pain is always one of the significant reasons why people visit a doctor's chamber. Starting from sudden pangs to chronic ache or dull pain, dealing with these kinds of soreness is quite uncomfortable and sometimes debilitating. Changing sleeping pattern can easily help you to get relief from your back pain. In that case, mattresses play a significant role. Anyone above 60 years old suffering from back pain or joint problem can get these amazing Dreams Duro mattress. The high density PU foam base layer offers maximum support to your spine. People fall in love with this mattress especially for its orthopedic support. Dreams Duro mattress is especially designed for supporting the natural curve of the spine. So now you can lie down flat or sleep on your side without getting a spine trauma. This remarkable product always adds the right level of firmness, while the pressure relief of its cooling, viscoelastic memory foam makes it the best choice for back pain relief. How can we forget its beautiful white inner cover? Its outer shell comes with chip features so that you can remove it without any hassle. On the other hand, this mattress is crafted from antibacterial fabric which is breathable and washable too. Now, if you get bored by using the same side again and again, you can simply turn it on to use the other side. The strainer is reversible as well as. On the other hand, the softness of its cotton will melt your heart. Still, can get pain relief. You must be wondering how. If you want us to rank its softness from 1 to 10, whereas 10 is as hard as concrete and 1 is as soft as butter, then the base layer can get 8 out of 10, whereas the top layer can receive 7 out of 10. You need to understand that there is more than contributes while packing out the best mattress than just the right level of firmness. Don't forget to consider the size of the mattress along with the price and other important features. When it comes to Dreams Duro mattress, you will receive multiple size options with great pressure relief and memory foam at a pocket friendly price. I hope you like this. Please like and subscribe it.